Thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you, Great Mother. Thank you, power and the guidance of the medicine wheel, the four directions, Aho, the four elements, earth, fire, water, air. All those things live within me. All those things live within you. Are you in your elements of the body and the earth, Aho? Or are you in the ethers of your head, perceived head, the ethers? Where is it that you live? Aho, Aho, Aho. So, good morning, everybody. Walking Crow for the Transformational Sacred Drum Medicine. And I'm here in beautiful Dolores, Colorado. Behind me is the Dolores River. And I was talking to a friend in Virginia earlier today. And she's a woman who has lost her daughter in the last week or so. And Oyato came up in the conversation. Oyato, Oyato, Oyato. And she wanted me to, I told her I would send her the song, and she asked me if I would, but it's, the Oyato is really, as I sing it in the spirit language, one word. But the one word has many meanings. So you're going to hear it, and I'm going to explain to you what the song means as I end the song when I finish the song. Aho. I want to welcome everybody to a beautiful Warrior Wednesday. It's Warrior Wednesday. It's a little overcast here, and the sun hasn't even peeked through. It was peeking through orange because there's a fire somewhere in the, I guess the smoke is above the clouds. I'm not sure. We're at almost 8,000 feet, so, you know, that's the way things go. But I'm going to sing O Oyato, and I hope wherever you are, if you're listening to the word or the words, you are singing it with me. Within your spirit, within your soul, within your love, within the nurturance of your nature. The nurturance of your nature. These songs come to me because I nurture my nature. Which nature are you talking about, Walking Crow? Not the nature that was given to me by domestication. Not that nature, not that nurture, because there was nothing nurturing about that. Nurturing the nature of who I am and who I have always been, and who I will be in the future, near or far. Aho, Aho, as Walking Crow, not as Anthony J. Rodriguez. Aho, as Walking Crow. O Oyato. Listen to her still small voice. Listen as she whispers through the wind. Listen as she whispers through the trees. Listen as she whispers to your heart. But listen, listen, listen.